welcome back to our live coverage here at reInvent. This is AWS OnAir. I'm AM Grobelny. I am a developer advocate at AWS, and we're about to take over the stream, actually. This is no longer AWS OnAir. This is now, I decree it, Step Up Your Game Day, all right? If you've never watched Step Up Your Game Day, you can see down there at the end, the co-host of Step Up Your Game. Say hello, Gunnar.
Hello, Gunnar.
Yes, thank you. Perfect. Don't say anything else the entire time, please. You nailed it.
That's good. All right.
We blew
You ruined it.
Let's start from the top.
Yeah. Can we take it again? Oh, this is not recorded. We are live. We're going to be playing game day content with you. If you've never seen a game day, you're about to. And if you haven't, why not? Like, what are you doing out there? Go play a game day. Let's start with Gunnar. Let's do introductions. Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Gunnar, developer advocate at AWS, part of developer experience team, and I'm a huge fan of AWS GameDays. I'm also co-host of Step Up Your Game Day.
He forgot that for a minute. Jasmine?
Hello, I'm Jasmine Kyles, and as you can see, I am a game day enthusiast. I work in partner marketing here at AWS, and I get to support AWS Game Day.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing. Thank you for doing that and supporting us. But we got a hero here.
Happy to be here.
Truly
Hey,
a hero.
Yeah, truly. It's just blessed to be here at reInvent with everybody, especially with you, AM.
No. We can't do that. AJ, please
Yeah.
tell them about yourself.
Hi, everyone. I'm AJ Steivenberg. I'm a staff engineer at Datadog, software engineer by trade, and I'm really happy to be here at reInvent. I'm an AWS hero, so I get a chance to hang out with you folks and do a bunch of cool stuff like this. Tell us what we're doing today.
There's nothing like this, AJ.
We're here to meet our heroes.
Oh, well, I'm glad I brought my sweatshirt. We
Wow.
did it.
Wow.
Happy to make a dream come true this early on Monday.
Okay, well, we can just shut down the stream there. We're done, everybody. No. We've got to play live. We've got some content. I made something for all of us up here. It's never been debuted, never been seen before, only by me, okay? And maybe even not by me.
That's good. Now I know who to complain to if it doesn't go well.
AM, I actually have to say I'm terrified.
Are you?
A little
I
bit.
am.
Wonderful.
I still have nightmares about Bicky Bouse.
Bicky Bouse. That was Reinforce and Anaheim. Yeah. I always like to make a game day quest, which is what we call our content here for AWS Game Day is a quest. Like to make a quest for our special events like reInvent and Summits and Reinforce. AJ, have you ever played a game day?
I have not played a game day.
I knew it.
I'm very excited to try it. I've helped create some of them, and I've helped test some of them, but I've never actually played as a player.
Okay, before we get into it, we got to plug. There is a Datadog
Yes.
game day on Thursday here at reInvent.
That's true.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know what time it is because you just put me on the spot, but it is happening on Thursday,
1 p.m.
1 p.m.
1
Thank you.
p.m. And you might look in the app and you might see reserve seating full. Doesn't matter. Show up anyway. They'll let you in, most likely.
Go. It's going to be fun.
Yeah.
It's going to be a fun exploration, and every single time with AM is always an adventure, as you're about to witness.
That's right. So it's our generative AI game day featuring content from Datadog as well. Speaking of, let's pull up my screen if we can. We're what, a minute and a half in? Let's look at game day. So maybe who wants Jasmine or Gunnar?
I think Jasmine.
You think Jasmine? Oh.
right, let's
do you
go.
want to tell us for anybody who's never seen a game day, never played a game day, what is a game day?
Oh, Game Day is a team-based scenario where we get everyone into fun teams and into the AWS console. We do this in a fun way. Not a lot of fun around here, right?
Fun is
Just
mandatory.
kidding.
Fun is mandatory. As a game day experience, you must have fun. If you don't, you will be forcibly ejected
Yep.
from the game day.
There's a leaderboard where you can rack up different points.
I'll pull that up.
You do it, like we said, in a team-based scenario, so you're not on your own and you're not going through like different materials or things like that. We give you these fictional scenarios and you have to solve problems. We say, hey, it's your first day at Unicorn Rentals, our fictional company that we started over a decade ago. We give you some unicorns and some rainbows, and it's up to you to figure out how to not burn the house down.
That's right. Or the stables, I guess.
Hey,
That's where horses live, right?
that's not where unicorns live.
Yeah.
No? Oh.
Jasmine was pretty specific there. They're unicorns.
They live
Yeah.
in a house.
Yeah, space houses.
Yeah.
Space houses. Actually, our unicorns are from space.
Yeah.
That is part of the lore. There is a deep lore. Gunnar, are you the lore keeper?
Am I?
I don't know.
No, I don't think I am.
Okay, well, then he won't know. But Gunnar, you've been supporting too, before we jump into the content, the NFL Game Day experience.
We've had a busy first day here at AWS reInvent. So we've already run 3 AWS Game Days over at the Sports Forum in Caesars Forum. And this is with the NFL-themed one, the one called AWS Game Day NFL Digital Experience.
Yeah. And you might not know this, AJ, but if you look down there and squint a little bit, that's Bill Binary.
It is.
Is that? Yeah. I thought you were a huge sports fan, and now that I read it says AWS Cloud Runners for those at home. Great name. Love the team. Yeah, long-time franchise fan here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. I can get you a signed shirt later.
That'd be amazing.
Yeah.
Signed one.
That's Bill Binary down there, and I know Nate Dana would be upset if we didn't mention that you can actually participate in the NFL Game Day experience virtually. There's a ton of places you can go sign up, or a ton of events coming up that you can sign up for. I'll try and drop the link in, or Gunnar will drop the link into chat to go sign up, where you can play yourself wherever you are, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Speaking of playing a game day, so we learned that points are going to be how we value ourselves, how we determine our self-esteem.
Oh,
throughout
I know this.
game.
As an engineer, I'm well versed in the world of Scrum points, so I am ready for this.
Okay.
Yeah.
As I heard our one of our friends present today, Josh Morgan, he's on the game day team. He said, we don't believe in Agile at Unicorn Rentals. We don't do epics, we do quests.
Let's go.
So we've got 2 quests today, but we're going to be doing our Mathmagic quest, which, as I mentioned, it is debuting right here, right now. And we're going to need your help, chat. So I got a lot of text here. I love reading to you, but I won't read it all. What is the number 1 tip that we give people, Gunnar?
You only live once.
That's my number 1 tip, but
Oh, you mean the other number
the
one?
real one.
Oh, yeah. It is read the instructions.
Read the manual. Read the manual. So let's do that real quick. Does magic exist? Of course it does. Why would you even have me write that question? This is really difficult to take seriously if you're going to make me ask such stupid questions like, does magic exist? Anyways, let me arrest control. I don't know who's talking. Somebody's talking to us. Magic. We've all experienced it. And what better place than Vegas to trot magic out, put it on display like a show pony or show unicorn, if you will. And you must. Anyway, so I've listed some of my favorite magicians here. Yoked goth motorcycle magician or funny, loud, and quiet magic duo. You might know who those 2 are, or 3 technically people. We're gonna be doing a magic trick together, okay? So we're gonna take a number, any number that you desire, anything, and we're going to transform that number into 4.
Okay.
We can
Okay.
do this with any number.
Okay.
We've got a spell here. I don't know what this means. Plus, asterisk, minus, or hyphen. I bet that's a hyphen because Alan Michael has a hyphen in it, which is my name. Anyway, I think this is important. We started putting some of this together, so we'll need to get the pieces. I outsourced all of the coding by putting in advertisement and Cat Fancy magazine.
Perfect.
And selected the lowest bid. So you might notice the infrastructure and the programming languages don't all match. Is that a problem?
No, I like the hashtag for frugality there, but I imagine that's actually a Slack channel over at Amazon.
It might be.
Yeah.
It could be. So yeah, the paid consultants that I got from Cat Fancy used AWS Services, all right, to translate the spell into computing power. But we'll need to discover each one and then somehow orchestrate a workflow for transforming the numbers to 4. Maybe using that spell. I don't know. Is everyone reasonably confused yet?
Oh,
Yes,
thoroughly.
Completely.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So it calls out, maybe if you wanted to transform a number to 4, you could just return 4, yeah?
That's an option.
Yeah, you could do that. They thought of that.
Oh, no.
The people we're helping thought of that. Definitely not me. The people that we're helping in the story that I'm telling. It isn't me. So we gotta continue on in this quest, and we have to legally acknowledge this is from our lawyers directly. Magic is real. Okay? Do you
Okay.
agree,
I agree.
Connor?
Illusions.
Thank you.
It says
Illusions,
these
Michael.
are not tricks or illusions.
AJ?
AM, you know you had me at hello.
That's right. Legally, magic is real. It's stated here. Okay, so we're going to start by registering a number, and I have given us, if we look down, a box to do that in. We also have a magic number API. I don't know that we'll get to this because we only have 21 minutes left.
But who's counting?
But we will get to walk through this, I think, through these boxes here. Okay? There's 6 steps to magically transform a number into 4. All right? So, we got a link here. We need to investigate all the assets. That downloaded something.
Oh, good. I hope it runs automatically, too.
Oh, yeah, it did. That's AJ's social security number.zip.
That's fine. That was leaked a long
Okay.
time ago.
Perfect. All right. So let's move this into. I've got a directory. Let's see. I have to remember my folder structure, and we're gonna move that here. Let's unzip it. Yeah. Okay. Oh, here we go.
Oh, wow.
Did you write this in every language you could look up on the internet?
No, like somebody did.
AM, why do I see PowerShell here? We had a legal agreement. Magic is real, but no PowerShell.
This is in honor of my old pal Steve Roberts, who built a lot of PowerShell tools here at AWS. Shout out Steve. So that's why there's
All right.
PowerShell there, AJ.
I'll do my best.
We got some Rust here too.
Thankfully.
So Darko should be happy wherever Darko lives. I'm sure Darko's watching.
Yeah.
Right?
Hi, Darko.
He's always watching.
Always. We got Python. Oh, this is a choice little
I'm
What is this
not
one?
worried about that one.
Perl.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
When was the last time you wrote some Perl?
Right out of college, I took a job working as a systems engineer at a medical device manufacturer, and I wrote an entire Red Hat Enterprise Linux installation system, including checksums in Perl. I don't want to tell you this because I knew it would throw a wrinkle in your game day.
Oh, it does
Yeah.
actually. Yeah.
OpenAI actually called me when they were training ChatGPT and asked if I could help them out with some of the Perl stuff. So,
Wow, you are a perfect candidate to play this.
well, and then the PowerShell is like right to my Achilles heel, man. You got me good.
I got you with .NET too, maybe. I don't know.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, .NET and Bash, of course. All right, so we've got some things to investigate. Don't forget our incantation. We've got a team ID. I don't know what that's for.
Wow, that looks uniquely hashed. That's good. I
Yeah.
like that. Lots of other available team IDs there.
This is the most challenging part of the entire game.
Is it? Because I can see by the autocomplete suggestion that you have an idea of what it should be.
I think it should be 25.
Yeah.
It doesn't have to.
I
This
think
is
it should be
literally
25.
any number we want.
Besides 25, I wore this for a reason.
That's a good
Coming
number.
here.
18.
Yeah.
18 is the number.
18 is the number.
Is that the significance of that 18?
It is.
It plays into this game
So,
day.
yeah.
Wow.
So, going into reInvent, I made this shirt with the number 18 just for this purpose.
Oh,
Wow.
So
You
let's go.
believe it?
It's got to be
I like
18. I
it.
mean, I don't have a shirt with any number on it, so I can't
Exactly.
debate that.
Okay.
18.
18. That's how old I am, by
It
the
just
way.
says wrong. Like,
Yeah, incorrect.
Should be 25.
Let's hope this works. Okay, all right. Oh, step 0 has this magic phrase. All right, so I don't know what that means. What is step 0, I wonder?
well, it's asking for a hash. Do we have? You have subtract 5, solve job set, subtract original. I don't know. None of these say hash. Oh wait, no. .NET hash number.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
You want to look at that?
What's that say?
Okay, what file do you want to look at?
I mean, ideally none of them, but since we're here, let's take a look at program.cs. Can we
Okay.
open that bad boy up?
Sure. Oh, that doesn't look helpful.
No, that is not helpful. Host create default builder, some arguments, use systemd, configure. So we're launching a systemd service.
Worker.
Yeah,
Oh.
maybe worker.cs.
Okay.
Oh, here we go. We got S3. What are we? S3 transfer, system text JSON. So you're putting some JSON into S3 or pulling it down. Okay. Oh, we need a bucket name environment variable. We don't have that yet.
Okay.
Number 1, magic phrase, job ID. It does look like we write a hash, though, hash number config, and then we write that somewhere out to the console. Why are you importing S3, AM?
Why?
Oh, return file config, upload result. Oh, no, upload result. Look at this. Wait, you have error handling in here and everything. AM, I'm so proud of you.
Really?
Yeah, this is great. Okay.
That's all I've ever
So then we
wanted.
create a SHA-256 hash. We got some input bytes. That looks okay. So it asks you for the number and then the hash. Okay. And then we serialize out the result. And then okay, what's the download? This is good. AM told me I couldn't come here with a laptop either, so this is even harder because I have to like channel it through him.
That's right. You have to guide my hand like it's a Ouija board.
This looks okay. So you've got a hash function and then you upload something to S3. I didn't see if you. It looks like you have an environment variable that reads that, and then you're able to run it. Can we just run it? You know what we should do? We should be really good investigators and just compile this and run it. What do you think?
Yeah.
Some nods?
All right, so we'll move into that. Do you know how to run a .NET program?
I would imagine you just /install.sh.
Let's look at that actually.
Oh, I was going to read that first. Oh, yeah, .NET publish. That creates a release, and then it starts. Oh, good, you're just running this under system D. That's great. Yeah, let's go ahead and fire that bad boy up.
Okay, we can run it. Let's see what happens.
What does that do?
I guess I gotta actually chmod this.
Oh, I see. That wasn't part of the plan. What's in the bin directory?
What is in the bin directory? But no, AJ has demanded I run install.
I did.
Okay, it's restoring the project. Okay. What's chat saying, Gunnar? Anything?
Awfully quiet, except for hi.
Hello, chat.
Chat, can you help us
Yeah,
out?
I think we need help.
Chat, I think this is ideal because it's running a command as sudo. Oh, no, you don't have system controller journal student. So this won't run on your machine, will it?
Probably not.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks like it's maybe somewhere else.
All right, so we need to unplug your laptop and throw it. And I'm just kidding.
Yes.
What's in the bin directory?
Well, you know what? In the
Interest of time.
interest of time, I'm gonna share with you.
Oh, the command to compile a .NET project?
There's a command line way to run .NET projects.
Let's do that.
There's this thing called .NET CLI. I love it. It's one of my favorites.
I see that.
Let's just do .NET run. Let's see what happens. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Oh, there's our hash.
Or is it?
Or is it?
Or
That's a hash for a number.
that's right. What number?
That's not our number, is it?
Oh,
For
number
one.
one.
Okay, so can we change that to be 18?
Can we?
Will we?
Let's see. Okay. It looks like it's right here, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we need to put that as 18.
Do we need our team ID or magic phrase?
Look at this guy down
I
here.
think, yeah, let's copy that team ID then.
Okay.
We need the magic phrase too.
All right. So team ID goes here.
Oh, way to mask out that trailing space.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah.
I was about to fail you on our little leak code assignment we're doing right here.
There we go.
right.
Okay. Magic phrase.
Job ID seems maybe fine because I'm assuming we're just one of us.
We'll see. Okay. It looks like we got a hash.
All right, can we try that?
All right. Here is where we get to learn a little bit about game day. Gunnar, what's going to happen here?
Oh,
What do you think? When I click the submit button, what do you think will happen?
well, behind the scenes, something is going to check if we've
We're,
done the right thing.
And what happens if we didn't?
we're either going to break it and lose points.
Oh, there we go.
Wait, we lose points here?
Yeah.
This was not part of the briefing.
But we already
might
have
win
600
some.
points, so.
You register? No, I don't
Oh.
think it worked. Wait,
Yes,
did
it
it? Oh, it
did.
did. We got Sub-Zero's complete.
So we're doing something right.
Look at that. Oh, I also named our team, by the way. I don't know if
I
anybody
see
noticed
that.
that.
Yeah,
That's a good one.
that's a good one.
I like it.
There we go. Look. Step
Nice.
0 solved.
Nice. This is great.
Okay. Moving on.
Well, I'm feeling very confident suddenly.
This is whoever developed this quest got the UI wrong.
Yeah, I see that. It's
Don't
okay.
worry about them. They won't be with the team for much longer. We'll get rid of him,
I wasn't going to say it.
me. All right, step 1 has this magic phrase. All right, so shall we go back to our assets?
Yep.
Okay. What do you think step 1 is? How do we determine the steps?
We're just looking at matching the name, right? So that was a hash number. Is there a magic phrase in there somewhere?
What about
Get
Good
job
job.
step phrase.
Some Ruby.
what about
Oh.
our incantation? Do you remember the incantation?
No, can you scroll up and remind me? Oh, right.
Oh.
Oh.
Ah.
So we add, then we multiply, or plus minus, and then escaped slash.
We are getting some help from the chat. So, hi, AJ. It looks like Jay, the developer, is sending
what's
us
up,
a
Jay?
shout out. And then instead of chmod, you can use bash.
yes.
Install that sh next time.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, we missed the hint that time. We weren't paying close enough attention.
I'm sorry, but it was wrong anyway.
Yeah, and legally, I'm not even allowed to write .NET anymore. So
There you go.
I'm glad your hands are on the keyboard for this one.
It's me.
Yeah.
It's all my fault.
Yeah, not after the last time.
You can blame me. Okay.
Yep. Back to this. What do we got?
So we had our incantation. You looked at it. Looked like.
Yep. Yeah, we had a plus. Yep.
Yeah.
So what? Do you see anything that might tell us about that step?
There's an add 5 bash program we can maybe open up, some shell scripting, and it's in Docker for some reason.
Oh, your face. You love putting Docker on Lambda.
I do, yeah. Big fan of it, by the way.
Containers?
AaronStuyvenberg.com, containers on Lambda.
Look
You
at that.
can Google that right now. Twitch.tv/AJ Stuyvenberg. All right, open it up. Open it up.
What do you want to look at?
I want to, can you open the program?
Yeah.
It
All
looks like Aaron Hunter just joined us in the chat and he says, I have a feeling AM developed this quest.
He's right.
Yes.
What? Why would you think that?
Okay, so we need the team ID. Okay, wait, so we need environment variables. Transform number, team ID. What's the last or? All the way on the right of the screen? Job ID. Okay, so we had used 1, 2, 3 before. Can we still use that?
No.
We need a new job ID? Okay.
I mean, we could try. We could try using 1, 2, 3. Let's see what happens.
Okay. JSON payload. What does it do with that? It just echoes it out. Okay. To JQ. Is that it? Is there anything else? Oh, we push it to SQS. Oh. Okay. Cool.
I wonder if we have to, though. I don't know.
I mean, I also wonder, but we don't have an SQS URL yet, so
We don't.
it looks like it would just write it out to the command line, and then we could do that in the console.
So what shall we do?
I think you want to run it.
Okay.
We've been arbitrarily executing code from the zip file the whole game day, and it's been going great. So I don't know why would we stop now.
It has. Yeah, you're right. What was it? What were they? They told me I could just use bash.
Yeah, and then you can do
right?
add 5.
Okay. Well, it won't do autocomplete. Thank you. No such. Oh, I'm in the wrong directory.
Oh.
How dare me? Okay. Let's see. Yep. So I need to go to bash, add 5. Now I'll run bash, add 5. Okay.
All right, we need to set. Yeah, okay.
Oh,
all
we
right.
need parameters.
Yep.
So
Okay.
we have the team ID.
Yeah.
Can you add that team ID?
I could, but I'm not going to. I just really want to block our progress.
You're doing great so far.
Oh, okay. Perfect. All right. So I'm going to export
Yep.
team ID equal to that.
Yep, that's good.
Mhm.
Okay. Magic phrase.
They just gave it to us for the last answer,
Dude,
right?
Look
Yep.
at this. Look at this. Okay.
Wow. Reading comprehension. Great work, everyone. Strong marks across the board here.
Magic. Make sure I spell it right.
Yep.
Everybody should be watching.
Oh, we are. They are
Okay.
on Twitch, too.
And then export. What was it?
Magic number? Or no?
Transform number.
So is that 18 again? I think it may be.
Yes. We haven't gotten a new
It's
number
still,
yet.
yeah, it's still
Yep.
18.
Okay. Now what do you think?
Now so you will now have to chmod it because Bash is going to run a new shell. Like I was explaining, I'm a little bit slower to speak English than the interpreters to run the code, but yeah, now you have to. You do. Yeah. There you go.
All right. So now this will use the shell that
It should, yeah.
we just set all those environment
Yep.
variables in.
Oh, what?
Oh.
Can you echo those out? Echo
Yeah.
$ magic phrase. It's there. Oh, it wants them. Does it want them in standard in? It didn't look like it.
Maybe the person who wrote this doesn't know what he's doing.
That seems unlikely.
No, you're looking. The -z would be. That's right.
You know what?
You don't have job ID. That's what you need because it's an or, so you're missing one.
All right. So
Export
we need to
job
set
ID.
that.
1, 2, 3.
Let's do it.
How do we feel, team?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boom.
Now let's try this.
Oh, good. Oh, so you don't have SHA-256 some.
I don't because
You-
it's not.
It runs in Docker.
Yeah.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Do you want to run in Docker?
Shall we? Shall
Yeah.
we make this?
Or we can go off script and you can install it with Homebrew.
We could.
Yeah.
Your call.
Let's
do it.
Let's run it in Docker. Okay. Do you have to? Can you? Okay. env. All right. Let's teach AM something. So env.
Yeah.
Oh, you've got it here. The env.
Oh.
Okay. Copy those all in then. I was gonna do it in your Docker file.
Oh, you want to do it in the Docker file?
No,
We can
no.
alter it. Let's do it.
Then you just type env and then the name of the thing you want to set
Okay.
and then the value. Oh, it's not as fun when IntelliSense does it for me right in front of me. We should be doing this in Vim.
Oh, well, I'm not a real developer.
Oh,
I'm not a real developer.
I thought we were trying to make Darko
You
happy
just
here.
advocate.
Just advocate.
That's it. That's all for real developers.
You don't need equals either. It's just a space. And
Is
then-
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Docker had to be different.
Of course. All right. So I just need to do this for all of our.
Yep, easy. Yeah, which is good because we have so much time left.
Yeah, absolutely. We got. But I heard they're going to give us another 30 minutes
Oh, good.
Oh,
because
that's
of
not
how
bad.
successful we are with the chat. The
Really?
chat's loving it.
The
so-
interactions are so good.
Yeah, it's mostly you, AJ.
Are you
I
telling
think.
me it's doing numbers? Incredible.
Yeah, that's right. We're doing numbers. Both literally and figuratively.
This is
Okay.
always the hardest part about interacting with chat on Twitch. Let me tell you,
Yeah.
copying and pasting correctly and getting everything spelled right while you're trying to interact, it is a challenge.
And we
it
got-
cannot be any easier with me talking to him in his ear.
No, not at all. Okay, and so we do 18. yeah?
18. Yeah.
Yeah.
So try that. Can you Docker run that bad boy?
Sure. I think we have to build it.
Oh yeah, you do.
What do you want to call it?
AM's Great Escape.
Wow. Okay.
Yep. That's
On
good.
here,
Yep.
and then we love watching Docker build.
We do. One of my favorite hobbies, actually.
It's just sitting there and watching it.
Now's a great time to plug a really awesome AWS project that I love called Finch. It runs on Mac devices. It is a drop-in replacement for Docker CLI and Docker Desktop. So if you have challenges with those tools, for me, I had a lot of crashes when I ran a lot of containers at once. Finch is an awesome project supported by a great team. Shout out to the open source team and shout out Finch. We do love Finch.
Cool. All right. Let's. Oh.
Hey, that looks like a successful blob of JSON.
Okay. So we got a hash.
We got a hash.
Gunnar, what's going on with chat down there?
Well, we have our friend Robert Tables in the chat.
Robert Tables is
Yes.
here.
And I think, well, we can quote him. Security's job zero. Sudo execute that script from wherever.
Yeah, he actually did hit sudo really quick.
Yeah.
Did anyone else notice that? Yeah, that was immediate. What do we got? Are we going to lose
What do you
points?
think? What do you think,
Oh,
Jasmine? Did we get it?
we did it.
Step 1.
Did we? Oh, step one is completed.
Complete. Yeah.
We got more points.
All right. So the first operator was a plus,
Plus.
and now the next is multiply. I believe it's an asterisk. But
Shall
we'll,
we?
Yeah, we'll give you a break.
Oh.
It is an asterisk. Isn't
Yeah.
it? This is not my magic spell.
No, of course. Yeah. Sorry.
Okay.
I studied. Okay, so let's find.
Oh no, it's my
PowerShell
nemesis.
Multiplied
I'm about to throw these headphones and rage quit. Let's do it.
Oh no, PowerShell. This is Gunnar's only
Specialty.
language.
It's all YAML.
Oh, it's in YAML.
Yeah, I do everything in PowerShell, actually.
All right,
so
help
I
me
think
out.
this should be a breeze.
This is my nemesis.
All right, so what do we want to look at? We can install PowerShell, but I'll tell you, like any good person, I have PowerShell installed already on my
course.
laptop.
Oh yeah, wildly out of date. It looks like
Well, let's not mince words here.
we didn't.
Okay. All right. So I've got PowerShell installed. Let's see. Although this doesn't look like PowerShell to me.
No, that is YAML.
That is YAML.
Beautiful YAML
Okay.
with us since the Earth was formed.
We have a description.
And yeah.
Process number. Create hash. Upload to S3.
Is this why you asked me to bring my AWS credentials tattooed on my forearm?
I did. I'm going to type them in.
That's
live.
great. Yeah. That'd
Yeah.
be perfect.
You
Yeah.
can go get it here.
Yeah.
We have tattoos
AK, I
outside.
know. I am stoked for that. Yeah. I'll have to get a new one after the stream.
They cannot take down my my screen either at any point.
Oh, perfect.
So sorry.
That's good. Yeah.
Hopefully, it doesn't do anything for you. Okay.
Is this Systems Manager or something?
Or something. Yeah, it looks like Systems Manager or something.
Mm-hmm.
Look at this. Main steps, action, run PowerShell script.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we need to create a doc.
Maybe.
I'm having question marks after everything I say right now. So
I'm just as lost as you are, Gunnar. Let's do it.
We could create a doc in SSM. Yeah, we haven't opened AWS yet.
Let's do
we
it.
haven't.
Okay, we got 4 minutes. You think we can do that in 4 minutes?
Mm-hmm.
Systems manager, it's there, right side, third down.
It's like you've been there recently.
visited.
Yeah.
It's weird.
Can you zoom in a bit more?
Perfect.
There we go.
Just the AWS logo?
Yeah.
Where's Q? Oh, there's Q.
Q's here. Don't worry.
Oh, God.
Calm down. Okay. Where do we want to go to?
We want to go to documents, maybe?
There it is. Just on the left.
Okay.
That didn't sound right.
What do we want to... Owned by me?
Aren't we creating a new one, or do you already have one?
Yeah, maybe we need to create a new one.
Command or session.
I think automation. Is it automation?
Is it? Let's check command.
Oh, okay. I think that's what I said.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yes.
Okay, what shall we call it?
AM's.
Great escape.
Keep that one from
Yeah,
AJ?
keep it
Okay.
running.
Okay. Any target type? Not that we know of, right?
No.
Optional.
Yeah. Oh, here we go.
YAML.
YAML.
Okay.
Perfect.
All right.
Copy pasta
Oh, look at that. Wait, hold on. The default.
is PowerShell.
I
Oh,
love it.
you're up here complaining about PowerShell.
I'm not complaining. I just
You just love it too
yeah,
much.
that's it.
You love it so much you're afraid of how much you love PowerShell.
I'm afraid of the power of the shell.
Yeah. How do you feel about PowerShell, Jasmine?
I don't feel about power.
Don't feel.
No
Don't feel-
feelings. No feelings
None.
whatsoever.
All right.
Okay.
Do we need the number, or will that be something like part of the workflow it'll ask us? Okay.
You tell me.
This is the first time I've
There's-
created a systems manager document live on air with all of you.
I think the parameters when you run it.
When you run it? All right.
I guess we'll find out.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay.
Great document.
Cool.
Jinx.
Done.
All right.
Now what?
Owned by me.
Owned by me.
There it is.
Run command.
Oh, yeah. Let's do that.
What do we run it on?
Hopefully it was root.
But what?
It's PowerShell.
There we go.
Oh, there are those. Okay. So we had a new number, didn't we?
What was the new number?
Uh-oh.
It should be in the JSON blob in the terminal.
Yeah.
Nope. The terminal started a PowerShell session. Took that down. We didn't write down the number.
Can you rerun the command?
Don't you have it in back? Oh,
I think we can calculate it, friends.
oh, I'm sure you can.
What was it? 18 we started with,
Yeah.
and then we add 5.
So 23.
So 23.
23.
Got there at the same time as you, Gunnar, if not slightly before.
I think you were just before me.
Okay, and then we need to get our phrase. We got a minute. I don't think we're going to do it. We got points, though.
I mean, we're at the high score. I
good.
feel pretty comfortable with our lead.
Okay. All right, so we got our phrase. We don't have a bucket. Oh, no. Uh-oh.
We need a bucket.
It seems like it. All right.
Oh.
Can we go to S3 and create one quick?
I don't think we can.
No?
I think we're going to have to leave this as a cliffhanger.
Okay.
And maybe, AJ, you'll have to come onto the show.
Sure. Anytime.
And we can finish this quest on Step Up Your Game Day. What do you think?
We're back in February.
Yeah, back in February.
First Thursday of every month.
That's right. First Thursday of the month, you can watch us here on Step Up Your Game Day. Jasmine, maybe you'll come too?
I should come. I haven't been for an episode in quite some
I
time.
haven't. It's been a long
It's time.
time. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. I think it's time to wrap it up. AJ, anything you want to plug before we're gone?
I mean, please check out my Twitch channel, YouTube channel, all that stuff. I love hanging out with you folks, creating content for the AWS community. You can just find me. I'm AJ Stuyvenberg, wherever you get your YouTube/tweets.
Yep. And then we also have the survey for you. If you want to get some AWS credits and get into the AWS and start doing fun stuff, check out that survey and then we'll send you some credits if you're one of the first 100 people to complete it. And then stay tuned. We have some machine learning engineer associate certification coming up with Aaron Hunter right after this.
Nice.